Kuki militant sing na hostage soikraba meeoi taruk khudongthiba thoklabadi Modi, Shah, Biren AMADI Council of Minister loinana Kuki MLA tarana TEKCHAK sing PUGADABANI haina Lok Sabha gi MP Bimol Akoijam na fongdokkhre. Ngarang MP Bimol na Delhi da pangthokpa paugi mifam amagi video clip amada MP Bimol Akoijam na makha taraduna Manipur da peace amadi normalcy halakle hairibu wafam adu aranbani haina mahakna kayarak haiduna laklibani South West Asia gi Gaza da nupi angang kidnap tawbagi thawong ngasi Manipur da thorakpasi laiba kyamna thibani nupi angang bu hostage soina Fakhiba gi thawong ngasi terrorist ki thawong ni Central lengak na makhoi taruki punsi kanduna TEKCHAK dana purakadabani thodog asigi matang da November 15 dagi haugadoriba Parliament ki mifamda soidana pukatuna matik chana khanane nagani karigumba hostage soikhiba chahi nauriba angang ahum amadi ahal oiraba nupi ahum asi laibak thiba thoklabadi masigi TEKCHAK sing India gi Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Shah, State lenga ki luchingba and Biren AMADI Council of Minister galoinana chahi amaga tha nipan hena yengduna leiriba Kuki MLA tarana pugadabani haiki MP Bimol Akoijam na Fakhiba meeoi tarugadu TEKCHAK dana halaknaba ishor da thaunizari haina su fongdokhe.
Indian state has been turned into a banana republic in Manipur. There is no doubt about it. Civilians, women and children being kidnapped. You know, it happened in Manipur. A very small infant, 8 months old child and a 2.5 years old child and a young girl in her 20s, early 20s, elderly women in their 60s have been abducted and held hostage. I think the government of India must ensure their safety and freedom from their abductors. If anything untoward happened to them, the government of India under Shah and Modi and its puppet government, you know, this council of ministers led by Sri N. Biren, as well as these so-called cookies or MLAs who have been presiding, these are elected members. They have been presiding over this bloody mayhem for more than 1.5 years. And they should be solely held responsible if anything happens to these innocent women and children.